The Yajurveda is one of the four Vedas in the Vedic tradition of Hinduism, and it primarily serves as a guide to the ritualistic aspects of Vedic worship and ceremonies. Unlike the Rig Veda, which consists of hymns dedicated to deities, or the Samaveda, which focuses on music and chants, the Yajurveda is concerned with the actions required during religious rituals, especially sacrifices. The Yajurveda is known as the Veda of worship or the Veda of rituals, and its central purpose is to provide the manual for performing sacrificial acts and invoking divine blessings through them. The Yajurveda contains detailed instructions on how the sacred ceremonies should be performed, what offerings should be made, and the precise words, mantras, to be recited during the rituals. The Yajurveda is divided into two main branches, the Shukla, white, Yajurveda, and the Krishna, black, Yajurveda, each serving a slightly different function in the context of ritual practice. The Shukla Yajurveda contains only the mantras that are to be recited during the rituals, making it relatively concise and focused purely on the ritualistic hymns. On the other hand, the Krishna Yajurveda includes both the mantras and the explanatory prose, which offers detailed instructions and explanations about the procedures and significance of the rituals. These two branches of the Yajurveda cater to different aspects of ritualistic worship, with the Shukla Yajurveda emphasizing the prayers and invocations, while the Krishna Yajurveda focuses on elaborate explanations of the rituals, making it more comprehensive and detailed. The central theme of the Yajurveda revolves around the concept of sacrifice, yajna, which is considered the primary means of maintaining cosmic order and pleasing the gods. The Vedic people believed that the proper performance of sacrifices would lead to the well-being of society, the fulfillment of personal desires, and the maintenance of universal harmony. These sacrifices, which often involve offerings such as ghee, milk, grains, and soma, were thought to nourish the gods and secure their favor. The Yajurveda, therefore, provides the priesthood with precise instructions on how to perform these offerings, emphasizing the correct procedure and the ritual purity required to ensure that the sacrifice is successful and that divine blessings are granted. The Yajurveda's mantras and invocations serve as powerful tools to invoke divine energies and ensure the success of the rituals. These mantras are chanted in a specific sequence and intonation, with each word carrying profound spiritual significance. In the Yajurveda, there is an emphasis on the exact pronunciation and correct timing of these mantras. The texts outline how to properly recite the sacred verses, and the role of sound is crucial because it was believed that the vibrational power of the mantras could connect the worshipper to the divine. The ritual priests, who were trained in these sacred texts, were responsible for the precise execution of these rituals, as their knowledge and ability to recite the mantras correctly were thought to directly affect the outcome of the sacrifices. One of the significant philosophical themes in the Yajurveda is the maintenance of cosmic order or Rata. Rata is the underlying law or principle that governs both the natural world and the social order, and the Yajurveda presents rituals as a means of aligning human activities with this cosmic law. The belief was that performing rituals correctly would not only bring material benefits such as wealth, health, and victory in battle but would also preserve the balance of the cosmos. By conducting sacrifices and offering prayers to the gods, humans were seen as participants in maintaining and reinforcing Rata. The Yajurveda, in this sense, connects human actions with the larger cosmic processes, and performing these rituals with sincerity was believed to ensure the flow of divine grace and the proper functioning of the universe. The role of the priesthood in the Yajurveda is also of utmost importance. Priests, particularly Brahmins, are the custodians of the Vedic knowledge, and their task was to perform the rituals and sacrifices on behalf of the community. The Yajurveda provided them with the necessary guidance on how to conduct these rituals properly. The texts outline the specific responsibilities of the Hotri, priest, the Adhvaryu, assistant priest, and other ceremonial roles, and emphasized the importance of maintaining ritual purity throughout the proceedings. These priests were seen as the intermediaries between humanity and the divine, and their performance of the sacred rites was believed to invoke divine favor, ensuring the welfare of the people and the continuation of cosmic order. In addition to its ritualistic and liturgical content, the Yajurveda also contains some philosophical and metaphysical reflections. While the focus of the Yajurveda is on practical rituals, it also includes references to the nature of the self, Atman, and the ultimate reality, Brahman, albeit in a more limited manner than the Upanishads. The connection between ritual action and the spiritual dimension of life is evident in the Yajurveda, as it posits that rituals are not merely mechanical acts but are deeply tied to spiritual progress. The correct performance of the rituals leads to spiritual purification and enlightenment, and it is through this purification that the practitioner can approach the divine. The Yajurveda has a profound impact on Hindu worship even today. Many of the prayers and sacrificial rites mentioned in the Yajurveda are still used in temple ceremonies, especially in more orthodox and traditional forms of worship. The Vedic rituals outlined in the Yajurveda have influenced not just the religious practices of the Brahman priesthood, but also the broader development of Hindu religious customs and rituals. The core idea that ritual actions are a way of connecting with the divine remains central to many aspects of Hindu worship, particularly in the worship of deities through fire sacrifices, homa, and the chanting of mantras. The Yajurvedas focus on ritual correctness, the role of the priesthood, and the belief that these rituals ensure cosmic harmony continues to be a defining characteristic of Hinduism's religious practices today. In conclusion, the Yajurveda is a vital text in the Vedic tradition, providing detailed instructions on the proper performance of rituals and sacrifices to invoke divine favor and maintain cosmic order. Its focus on ritualistic practices, mantras, and sacrificial offerings demonstrates the significance of action in spiritual life. The Yajurveda connects the material and spiritual realms through the idea that proper ritual action ensures the prosperity of individuals and the well-being of the cosmos. The text's emphasis on the priesthood, the role of sound and mantras, and the maintenance of cosmic order through ritual has shaped Hindu religious practices, preserving its influence over thousands of years.